Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to change this rather boring looking drop shadow text into this, I think, much cleaner version. Surprisingly for me, I'm not going into Fusion. I'm going to do it all in the Edit tab today. So I just need to set up a couple of things. So I'm going to bring a solid colour. This isn't needed, it's just so that we can see what we're doing. And then I'm going to bring a text plus node and pop it on top. I'm just going to go into the colour and stick a colour so that we can actually see what we're doing. So we'll go with kind of that, maybe that. Okay, so text plus node, set it up as you want it with your text. This effect tends to work best if you've got quite a heavy font, like so. So what we're going to do is we're going to come along the top and look for shading. We're going to click shading, and at the top here you've got select elements. These elements are various things that you can add to your text. We're going to use the first three. So number one is your text, number two, if you click enable, gives you your outline, and number three, if you enable, gives you your shadow. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to number two, to our outline, and we're just going to make it a bit thicker, somewhere around about there. Now, if you note on the next line down, it's got sort by priority. This decides which order the various layers go in, and they go from highest at the front to lowest at the back. We can find out what priority each layer has by coming down to position, and you'll see we're on the outline page of the shader and it's got a priority of 7. If we go to our drop shadow and look, you've got a priority of 6. So basically all you need to do is swap those around. So we're on the drop shadow, double click, 7, then come to your select element again, number 2, come down to priority and change it to 6. So you've now basically swapped your outline and your shadow. All you need to do now is go into number 3, your shadow, and adjust your shadow offset. I found that about 0.1 and minus 0.1 works quite well, or 0.01, sorry, not 0.1, like so. What you can now do is go back to number 2 and slightly adjust your outline thickness. And what I like to do is come down to the joint style and make it pointy, like so. And that is basically it. Yeah, I have nothing more to say. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers!